Got a cough that just won't go away? Try this quick and natural remedy to soothe your throat instantly. What you'll need: 1 fresh lemon, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. How to use it: cut the lemon in half, sprinkle a pinch of salt on top, drizzle honey over it, suck on the lemon for a few seconds. Its natural acidity combined with honey and salt soothes irritation. It also clears mucus fast. Bonus tip: drink warm water with lemon and honey twice a day for lasting relief. Try this now and feel the difference. Comment "cough" to get a free guide on natural remedies for cold and flu. Follow for more health tips.